I'm sure you've heard the news. AI image tools are everywhere. But which one should you actually use today? Let's cut through the hype and decide. DALL-E 3 is jaw-dropping for precise prompts. DALL-E 3 shines at prompt fidelity and detail. It interprets complex instructions reliably and faithfully. It reads embedded text accurately, even small labels. It gives consistent results for precise, repeatable ideas. Midjourney is jaw-dropping, but solves different problems. Dreamy visuals full of soft, painterly textures. Painterly strokes reminiscent of modern oil paintings. Cinematic images with dramatic lighting and depth. Need repeatable, literal outputs for work? Product mockups. Accurate, consistent renderings for products. Signage, clear, readable text, and precise layout replication. Brand-specific assets, logos, colors, and exact typography. Lean on DALL-E 3 for reliability and cleaner text rendering. Want bold experimental visuals full of surprises? Beautiful textures with rich tactile surfaces and detail. Dramatic lighting that sculpts mood and form. Creative surprises, unexpected compositions, and bold choices. Midjourney is your playground for artistic exploration. Also consider speed and workflow efficiency. Midjourney's community-driven Discord makes iteration social and collaborative. DALL-E 3 integrates smoothly into tools like ChatGPT for faster prompt refinement.